Let's make sure we keep our tip clean, huh? If you've ever welded some PVC, then you know you get a lot of carbon buildup and whatnot. This is just a little soothing patchwork that we can watch while we, I guess, talk through it, tell a story or two. Whatever, really. So, any good welder knows that we need to do a good pre-weld. I like to bring the pre-weld back towards another pre-weld so it really creates a wall in between me and the hot air that's shooting out of the gun, or my welding tip at least. With PVC you want to get a solid bleed out, which you can see there, especially if you expand it. If you zoom in on the tip there, we're getting plenty of plastic coming out. So this membrane, it's a little different than your average TPO. This one's a polyvinyl chloride, which you actually turn it into a liquid when you heat it up, both sides, the top and bottom. And as it cools, it turns back into a solid. So you've got to be really particular about how you seal this stuff up. You can't just get it hot, push it down, and then expect it to bond together like its friend TPO. TPO is a chemical bond, so after you push them together, let them cool, they've got a chance to still bond together. Where this PVC, you've got to do that shit right. So, no games, no jokes. Make sure it's a liquid. You're going to push that little puddle with your roller. You want a little space in between. I mean, I'm assuming if you're watching this, you know a little bit of basic technique. If not, no biggie, just pay attention to what's going on here. So as you can see, I'm using the tip on the welder itself to kind of reveal where the weld is underneath the patch. If I apply pressure with the tip and the weld breaks open, then I know I'm not getting a good puddle of that plastic under there. Just like right there, I drug it through. First time I did a PVC roof, the guys told me I'd been slaying it on TPO, just kicking out roofs. I was like 20 years old, and I was like, okay, I can do anything, lottie dottie. And the guys were like, oh, PVC, it's the same as TPO, just turn your welder up a little bit, and it should be fine. It's gonna burn a little while you weld it. And yeah, we were working on a mall, and I did one of the stores in the mall, and yeah, long story short, it leaked really bad, and I had to go back and tear up all those welds, and it was a huge learning experience. Next one I did was on a city hall building, and that ended up raining down on the freaking mayor. So, long story short, make sure you weld it right. If you don't know how to do it, maybe watch some more of this content. Thanks, guys. Good night.